This is the bacon hot honey McCrispy chicken sandwich from McDonald's. Okay, there's the little, they could have spread them out a little bit, huh? Bacon falling off. Okay, but there's 3 pieces to cover it. Shredded lettuce, and there's the sauce. All right, let's try it out with the sauce and all that, you know. Mm-hmm. The honey and the chicken, crispy chicken, and the bacon, man, that all goes together. The little crispies, I don't know. I would give that a 9 out of 10. That's a good sandwich.